this video, I'm going to show you the brand new super slope indicator that I've just upgraded to having multi-instrument, multi-time frame capability. This thing's pretty amazing. This is the price action from this morning during the New York Open. The MMT super slope indicator is measuring the slope of up to 7 different built-in indicators. And now it can measure that slope across multiple different instruments and time frames. And when everything is in alignment, it will print these signals and the bar color. And when things are not in alignment, it will paint the candles neutral. Let's take a look under the hood here. This is the MMT super slope. Here are all the different factors that it can scan for. The MACD, the RSI, the stochastic, the Williams, EMA, SMA, both with custom periods, and the momentum indicator. Right now I've got 4 of these checked. So it's looking for the slope to be up or down on the Williams, the 5-period EMA, the 3-period EMA, and the momentum indicator. I've got the signals on, I've got the bar color on, and I've also got 1 extra instrument enabled. Under instrument 2, I've got the ES for the time frame. It's a 1-minute time frame. So my main chart is an NQ 1-minute chart. So this is scanning to see when both the NQ 1-minute and the ES 1-minute chart are in alignment, when all 4 of these indicators have an up or a downward slope across both instruments and both time frames. So I can choose any instrument that I want, and then also the time frame I can choose from minute, second, tick, volume, and range. Let's say I wanted to bump this up to a 2-minute time frame for the ES. Take a look at the signals beforehand. I'm going to click apply. Now you can see we are getting fewer signals, more quality signals. They're based on a lower time frame and a higher time frame across 2 different instruments. Everything is a little bit more smoothed out. I'm a scalper. I'm looking for the quick moves, so I'm using 2 1-minute charts. That's going to just come down to personal preference. So this is the new super slope indicator. These are all the slopes that it can detect. These are the signals that it can print, and it now has multi-instrument, multi-time frame capability. I stripped down the original version. I had gone a little bit indicator crazy and created way too many parameters that I'm just never going to use. I wanted to make this more simple, more user-friendly, more beautiful, more elegant, and also more powerful by adding the multi-instrument, multi-time frame capability. So this is a free upgrade if you already own the super slope indicator. There's a new version in your WAP user area. You can simply download the new version, import it, and you're already registered for the new indicator. Should be good to go. If you don't have the super slope and you're interested, there are links in the description for the MMT indicator store. And then I'll also give you a preview of the ultimate flow. This has the same multi-instrument, multi-time frame treatment. There's still one last little bug I got to work out on this one, and then I will be releasing this indicator as well. This indicator is all the signals that were originally in the flow stack, which I gave a preview of about 6 months ago. The flow stack is also coming out, but it's going to be purely based off of delta. This is also the price action from this morning from the New York session, and this is also measuring NQ and ES data, but it's looking for an entirely different set of conditions. So here's the MMT ultimate flow indicator. I've got all the basics that used to be in the flow stack. So this indicator can look for a volume increase, a body size increase. It's got a directional filter. You can enable the moving average trend, and this will tell you when price is above or below your favorite moving average. You can choose between SMA or EMA in your own custom period. And then it will also scan for the Heikin-Ashi condition. So if you want to know if Heikin-Ashi is bearish or bullish across multiple instruments and multiple time frames, this indicator can do that. So right now, my main chart is the NQ. I do not have any extra instruments enabled, but once again, I can choose any instrument, lots of different time frames, and then it will scan for all of these conditions across all instruments and all time frames selected. So the ultimate flow is not available quite yet, but it should be very soon. And then hopefully the flow stack right after that. But the MMT super slope is now available. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan is the absolute best. Thanks so much for your support. I wish you best of luck in your trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.